Today I'm going to give you a little midday update on the stock market. Currently we're sitting in a green market. We have a fear and greed index of 17. We're still in that extreme fear state, but slowly we are getting better. From our previous close, we were hitting at 11 extreme fear. We're currently on today at 17. On to some news. What is going on? We have some big gains, which we'll get to in a second. The 10-year US bond is sitting at a 0.02% increase. The 30-year is sitting at a 0.028 increase. The two years down, but the 5 years up. We have oil sitting at 114.68, currently up 3.86%. Gold is up 1.4%. Silver is up 0.085%, and copper is up 0.01%. On to some gainers and some big moves here midday. We got Twitter, Macy's, Nvidia, Lululemon, Baba is currently on a rise. Everything is pretty much green. Let's dive into some charts now. Alrighty, we'll just update this. Make sure we got the charts calculating properly. So on the day, the S&P 500 currently sitting at a 2.09%. We got NASDAQ up 2.97%. The Dow Jones is up 1.71%. The Russell 2000 is up 2.38%. The QQQ is up 3%. We were hovering just above that 300 line there. We currently still are. Alrighty, now on to some stocks here. Let's start with Apple. Apple is currently sitting at 143.64, up 2.2%. Started the day off at about 137.14, which is great gains today, about $3 gains or so. PayPal currently up 70 cents, 0.87%. Not too bad of a day. We got some head and shoulders charts here currently running with PayPal, but other than that, we're in the gains. We got Starbucks up $1.59, up 2.19%. Tesla, the big gainer today, 7.82% currently. We've been watching this one all day. Let's dive into a little bit on the 5-minute chart here. Look at this gain as we zoom out a little bit. Look at this gain that we're hovering, or we started the day actually on at 653, currently sitting at 710. Nice gains for the day. We were hovering around the 662 mark, and then eventually we just took off. And currently, as we look at our moving averages here, we are still kind of rebuilding here, but it's just been an up and down battle, up a little bit to 710. We're not sure if it'll break up to 720, but we did get to a high there of 718. So we'll see if we hit some support lines here at maybe 705. We'll maybe bounce up to 720, or we'll maybe see that tomorrow. But other than that, Tesla, big gainer on the day. As we scroll down a little bit more, we got our other electric companies making gains here. Lucid was another big gainer today at 9.71%, which is awesome. Good for Lucid. On to some more. Costco up 5.3%, Target up 3.67%, Walmart up 1.93%. Another big gainer on the day, 20.75% for Dollar Tree. Basically, with inflation coming, I feel like a lot of people, and there's a lot of uptrend to the dollar stores. People want to spend less, so they're going to go to the dollar stores. That's basically what the horizon shows for the Dollar Trees. As for Amazon, Amazon up 4.57%, Google up 2.59%, Microsoft up 1.32%. A little bit of a slow day for Microsoft here. Netflix up 1.66%, Facebook up 4.38%, Twitter up 6.32%. Nice little gain there. Look at that drive up there. Snapchat has rebuilt compared to my last video there that I made a couple days ago in relation to Snapchat. If we look at the 5-day chart, you can just see on Monday bad news happened for Snapchat, but slowly it hit its low of about 12.55 this past week. But now it's currently sitting at 14.75 or so. So those who got into it at its low, it's starting to rebuild a little bit. And I do think that Snapchat is a great stock to be in. They just have to figure out how to monetize their business better. As for Shopify, 5.5%, SoFi, 2.14%, NVDA is at 5.84%. This was one of the top gainers on the day. As you can see, it just drove right up to it's currently sitting at 179.64 or so. We got BABA as another big gainer on the day, 15.02%, 15% right now, up $12.37. eBay, another nice gainer, 3.99%. Etsy, another nice gainer, 9.22%. GameStop, 12.42%. We had a little drive up there for GameStop, and currently sitting on the day a little bit down, right? That drive up was yesterday, but currently sitting down a little bit on the day, but we are still up. AMD, 7.17%. A lot of people are talking about this one as well. We had a nice drive up today. Big moves today for AMD. I talked about gold and silver. Visa up 2.45%, and MasterCard up 2.19%. Alrighty, now to give my insight on what's to come in the market and what I feel is going to happen. Basically, today's green day is great news. Maybe it's a recovery. I personally feel it is a recovery, and that we have seen our lows of lows, right? I do feel like we hit the bottom of the market the past couple of weeks, and that we are now in an uptrend. There still could be bad news coming out in the future, but understand that I do feel we are in an uptrend now, and that we're slowly going to return out of this extreme fear zone. As you can see, a week ago we hit our lows at an extreme fear rate of 9. Yesterday we closed at 11 rating, and now today we're currently sitting at 17. So we are slowly getting better. We'll see what the coming days bring us, what Friday brings us, and what Monday brings us, and that will really tell us where we're heading, whether we're heading closer to a neutral zone, or we're going to continue either in a downtrend. Maybe today was just a spike, and we could just lose all these gains tomorrow. So we'll wait and see what happens in the next coming days, and I hope great trading to all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great rest of your day.